Alright, go.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Hi. Okay, so there's this.
Is there a card?
Is there a card? Is there a card? Card.
Maybe they're on here.
Maybe
On the box.
no, they're not on the box.
Look at all the pencils.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is so heavy.
Oh, it says love and pets.
Love it. Okay. Love you too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is breaking my fingers.
Broken. Don't show me what is inside though. This is hard.
You want scissors?
You're fine.
Not that hard.
I think I got it. Got it. You got it. Kinda got it.
Okay.
What the heck? It's another box.
What is something where it's a box?
In a box. Riley's figured it out. Here, shake, hold it upside down and shake it, Natalie.
It's another.
Let's do this to my friend.
Oh my god, another.
Riley's furthest.
Oh my god.
Boxes!
Okay,
Boxes!
this is the last one.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Maybe it's money. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's more! Oh my god! I'm just gonna take a while to get back. How did you get this? Oh my god!
I don't think we need boxes for anything. Look at the little box.
Oh my god, another! Oh my god, okay. Money!
Yay!
Okay, it says $20!
Awesome. What do you say?
Thank you! I love you. Thank you. Wow. Wait, it's more than. Oh my gosh, 20?
40,
40?
60, 80.
60. That's $80.
Whoa!
Whoa!
40?
Wow.
I got 60.
No, you didn't.
Thank you so much, Aunt Pat.
6, 8.
Oh, thank you! Gosh, I have
Say
$80.
that again.
Thank you! I got $80! I never had that much. Okay.
Yeah, you
There you have.
Yeah, I haven't had that much of that.
in a while.
I like pink gloves. Yeah, I like pink gloves. Ooh, I like gray gloves. And then I like these stuff. And then I like these pencils.
Okay, now I'm putting this back together.
Some ginger.
And then I'm going to
And
give
then
it to my friend. And she's going to be like,
Oh my god, I'm gonna put this back in order. Let's put this back together. This is the tiniest box I ever seen. Riley, we can use this for LPS table. Okay, so
use
this goes.
everything for LPS.
What's in here? What else have you got? You got gloves.
Gloves, yeah.
That's good.
Yep.
You got the black gloves.
Yep.
The Halloween orange gloves.
Yeah, I can use those. I like the pink ones.
And pencils. How did she know that we were out of pencils?
I don't know. She's like
She just knows that stuff.
obviously.
Cute kitty socks. You see?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You see, Brookie?
Meow. Okay. How did she put all this? Right? No, I did it wrong. It's gonna be the hardest thing. This is confusing. I don't know. I don't even know what's supposed to go. I found all of the boxes. It's getting big. I think it goes
Maybe I should do this to my teacher. Oh my god.
Yeah. That'd be fun.
Which one next? I don't know. Which one? I don't know.
This is
Which one?
I'm doing this.
Which one's next? This one? I think so. No, it's not. What's the next one? This is the lid. This found the lid. Okay. Wait, is this the same size as?
No, yeah.
Is it this
Don't
one?
take.
Is this next?
Don't take. I don't know.
I don't know. No, it's this one.
Best would be get all your lids together and all the boxes together, and then try and put it back together.
Oh, I got it now. Look at it. Look at it. I'm getting it.
I think this is going to take a while. Thank you, Aunt Pat. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Say bye.